My name is Theo, and I was a student in Miss Sutter's Design Products class. So the fifth graders were doing a topic on sustainability, and one of the things they did was from their leftover rice harvest, they would make seed bombs of rice that you could plant in the ground and raise it yourself. And our job as designers were to make packaging for it. So we asked our fifth grade clients about what kind of packaging they wanted for their seed bombs. So we made a first draft, first design for them that we made ourselves. And then we went to them to get their input and what they wanted from the packaging. And with their input, we changed a lot of the packaging depending on what they wanted from us. I changed the color to be a lot more vibrant. I used AI imaging to make images for the packaging itself. I even changed wording on it and the shape of the design to make it easier to open by their request. So this was our first time as a design class to actually design something for someone that we didn't have any connection to, and thus it made us have to think outside the box a lot more. I found that at first it feels really restrictive because you can't do whatever you want. You have to go by the client's wishes. But as you go on, the restriction makes it feel a lot more imaginative. Because there's restrictions, it forces you to think outside your comfort zone and make you think about more stuff about what the client wants, and it forces you to think more imaginatively than you usually would do. And in the end, the fifth graders gave away their products at an ASIJ event.
My name is Ruilin, and I designed a book for my clients as part of my design technology class in 6th grade. We were partnered with first grade buddies. First, we met with the buddies and we interviewed them, and they gave us an idea of what they wanted for the story and the characters, and they also told us what they wanted for the basic storyline. To get what we needed to know from the first graders, we asked them open-ended questions. So instead of us guiding them through what they wanted, they could talk about it themselves. And then so we went back to class and we worked on that for a month maybe. And then once we completed the book with all the feedback process and everything, we printed them out, and on the last day we gave it to them and we read the books together. I learned that there were different kinds of creativity. I feel like not just me, but most people view this way of creativity of making something really, really cool and complex, but creativity can also be like toned down, and actually getting it toned down might be harder than making it more complex. I'm most proud of my ability to change and adapt to what they wanted, because I feel like that's a really important tool you need if you were going to be a designer. You have to understand your client well and what they need well, and I'm proud that I was able to kind of do that.